Hi everyone, welcome to this full 2025 guide on how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the process, while also sharing some important tips to keep your financial records accurate and protected. First of all, let's talk about why this is important. Deleting a payment can help you correct mistakes and maintain clean financial data. But remember, once a payment is deleted, it can be difficult to recover, so caution is key. Start by going to quickbooks.intuit.com and clicking the login button. Enter your correct credentials and make sure you're signing into QuickBooks Online, not a different platform. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your dashboard and click on the Sales menu. This is where all sales transactions are managed. From here, open the customer profiles. These profiles are hubs for invoicing and payments. Next, locate the customer whose payment you want to delete. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar for quicker access. When you find the correct transaction, click the drop-down menu next to it. Select the Delete option. QuickBooks will show you a confirmation pop-up to prevent accidental deletions. After confirming, the payment will be removed. Keep in mind that deleted payments cannot be easily recovered. To stay safe, always double-check the transaction details and consider backing up your data before making permanent changes. And that's it. You now know how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. This simple process, when done carefully, helps keep your books accurate and your business financially healthy.